to do your will. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. I have waited for the Lord, and He stooped toward me and heard my cry, and He put a new song into my mouth, a hymn to our God. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. Sacrifice or offering, you wished not, but ears open to obedience. You gave me holocaust or sin offerings. You sought not, then said I, behold I come. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. In the written scroll, it is prescribed for me to do your will. Oh, my God is my delight, and your law is within my heart, and your law is within my heart. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your will. I announce your justice in the vast assembly. I did not restrain my lips as you, Lord, know. Here am I, Lord. I come to do your